With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we need to find the radical center of the following circles. So we are given with three equations of circles and we need to find what the radical center is. So this will be just 1 point. We know that the radical center is found by first finding the radical axes of two circles and then the other two circles and then finding the point of intersection of the two radical axes. So let us do that. So let this be C1, that is the first circle. So this is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0, right? And let us have the C2, this circle. So this is 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 3x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. We can divide this by 2 so that we have 1 as the coefficient of x squared and y squared. So this will give us 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2y minus 9 by 2. This is equal to 0. So this is our circle 2. So let us find the radical axis of circle 1 and circle 2. Radical axis of C1 and C2. Right, so this will be C1 minus C2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the radical axis, right? So let us find that. This will imply that x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 7. This is the first C1 minus C2 is x squared plus y squared plus 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2y minus 9 by 2. This is equal to 0. Right, so we can see that we can cancel out the x squared and y squared this way, and in the coefficient of x we will have 4 minus 3 by 2, this into x, plus in the coefficient of y we will have 0 here and minus 5 by 2 from the second circle. So this is the coefficient of y, and then let us write the constant term. This is minus 7 from the first bracket and then plus 9 by 2. This is equal to 0. So this implies this will be 8 minus 3 divided by 2. So that will be 9. That will be 5 by 2 x plus this is minus 5 by 2. So write minus 5 by 2 y, and this will be minus 8. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 minus 14 plus 9. So that will be 5 by 2. So this is minus 5 by 2. So this is equal to 0, right? So we can multiply 2 by 5 on both sides so that we have x minus y is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the first radical axis, right? The radical axis of circle 1 and circle 2. Let us call this equation number 1. Now let us find the radical axis of C2, or let us say C1 and C3. Okay, so when we'll find the radical axis of C1 and C3, then we'll find the intersection of the two radical axes, right? So let us find this. C1 and C3 will have the radical axis. C1 minus C3 is equal to 0. So this would imply that, let us write C1 plus 4x minus 7 minus C3. What was C3? C3 was x squared plus y squared plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so let us write C3 here for convenience. C3 is x squared plus y squared plus y is equal to 0. Right, so we will use this. C3 is x squared plus y squared plus y. All of this is equal to 0. Now let us find the equation. X squared and y squared cancels out, and we will have 4x and then minus y and then minus 7 is equal to 0. This implies that 4x minus y is equal to 7. So this is what we will call equation number 2. So we have the two radical axes, and now we need to find the intersection of these radical axes to find the radical center. Radical center. Let us find the radical center. This is the intersection of radical axes, right? Radical axes intersect to find to give the radical center. So let us find that. So we will put x from this and put into this, or y from this and put into this. So let us find y from this. The first equation, this would imply that y is equal to x minus 1. So let us put this in equation number 2. So 4x minus y is x minus 1. This is equal to 7. So this would imply that 3x plus 1 is equal to 7, or x is equal to, this will be 6 by 2, 6 by 3, so x is equal to 2, right? So if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to x minus 1. So y is equal to 2 minus 1, so that is equal to 1. So the radical center is finally, radical center is the point 2, 1, and this is your answer. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is our radical center.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.